You know what time it is. Oh, it's burning really bad.
I think I lie for you.
A success!
I for you.
I must be dreaming when I'm dreaming.
Back again, people. YouTube. I'll come back again with the next video. You see this? It's cute and pretty and nice. I look so cute. But I miss my fucking finger waves, bitch. I miss it. So you know what I'm gonna do? Take off the wig, girl. Do not actually just take your wigs off like that. Look at how cute it came out though. I just still intact.
Oh, jump scare.
I'm not being professional because this is totally out of impulse. This is not a planned video. Let me take my time. So, yeah, this is not a planned video, but even though it's not planned, doesn't mean that I'm not gonna do it. Take out this glue here. I mean, it's coming out, but it's not coming out fast enough. Grab some more big uncles. I'm going to clean up my fart with this glue. The glue doesn't glue up glue. So if I don't like it, I'm putting that wig right back on. Ugh. That's one thing I hate about wearing wigs. The glue. Like, why? I should just invest in some glue remover. But y'all just told me I took off that wig. Ain't nobody had time for no glue remover. Don't nobody have time for that. And to the girlies that use glue remover, no shade. But I'm just not doing it. So now that I feel like I got most of the glue, I'm just do one last rub around. Look at this cloth. It's so dirty. Cause this is a cloth that I use to like do this and wipe my fingers while I'm doing my hair. So that's why it looks like this now. So yeah, my head is gonna be cold. I know it is. I know my head is gonna be cold. But do I really care? Would you take some Aquaphor to protect my little skin that I just rubbed with alcohol? We just apply a layer of Aquaphor to the perimeter of my head and the little skin that I have right here. Because I don't want to burn myself. I don't think I need to burn myself. I don't think I deserve that for myself. So yeah, we're gonna take our time. Open the box. In this box, we have step 2, step 1A, step 2, and step 3. We have the creme, la creme. Alright. Anti-breakage. You don't got much to break here, but okay, regular. Regular, right? You're regular, right, girl? Oh, shucks. Little surprise in the instruction box. Gloves. I'm so glad these are not these big, hefty duty gloves like they always. Oh, and a mixing thing. Oh, that's not English. Okay, here's the English. Do's and don'ts. 6 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks. It's been about 6 to 8 weeks. I asked a friend to help. That just got me, alright? Do not shampoo for 24 hours before relaxing. I definitely washed my hair last night. If you don't know how to do a relaxer, girl, I don't know what to tell you. So, step 1A. Okay. This is step 1. So we're gonna take 1A, which is the deep conditioning herbal infused anti-breakage formula. It says mix with the cream relaxer. Cut this bad boy straight across. $5.99 worth. Step 1B, liquid activator. So I'm gonna take this. I don't know if you dump it in there. And now you mix. Girl, when you gotta whip the cream. Whip it, girl. It looks like this now. You're gonna whip it till it's kind of smooth. Make sure everything is whipped. Everything's all whipped up. Now try to put your gloves on. Alright, let's start applying the relaxer. I just slap it on my head. Just like that. See, that's how you put the Aquaphor right there, girl. You came, if you ever see this girl, just know I stand beside you. I got your back. Cause I be understanding when she be like, it's too much work. It's too much work. It's so much easier to slap a relaxer on my hair or slap a wig on and keep it low and keep it moving. Y'all be wanting to hold on to these inches for what? And then y'all inches be damaged. So let's not even talk about that. Okay, let's just rub it in. Are you even supposed to rub this in? Whew. I cannot even see the back of my head. How am I gonna do this? Let's just slap it back there and pray for the best. We're just gonna slap it back there and pray for the best. Because I cannot see the back of my head. It's burning, but not extreme. But yes, it's burning me. Supposed to be combing it out. Cause see, it's only here in the top. Ooh, it's hot. Girl, if my hair comes out, so what? So be it. I was already bald. Like I never had inches to start with. Come bald tonight. So be it. You know, I didn't have a lot to start with. I'm not losing a lot because there wasn't a lot to begin with. But it does burn. So yeah, my little head is tingling. Alexa, start a timer for 4 minutes.
Good evening, Jada. 4 minutes. Starting now.
I'm putting a relaxer on my hair so I can start my finger waves. Well, do my finger waves. So I'm just waiting. Yeah, this does help a lot. Girl, you ain't gonna have no hair. I didn't have hair to begin with. Like, I don't know what y'all are missing. Like, I'm very much like EK right now. I didn't have hair to begin with. So if I lose some hair, I lose some hair, you know? I'm just gonna slap the wig and the wig cap right back on and act like I never did this. Okay? That's what y'all don't understand. I really hope right there is relaxing good because I don't have time. I'm just gonna relax. So I just wash the perm out. Moose it down. Moose it down. Drenched, like every strand is to be folded in mousse from me everything in the direction that I would like for it to go. I normally never do a part with it. I kind of just separate the front from the back, the sides from the sides.
songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I draw to see cry for you.
Do things when you want me to, like controller.
Controller.